plane landing philosophy. The plane that carries your fortune will only land at an airport that is clean from all disturbances. ATC Airport Traffic Control Tower will check the runway is clear of any disturbances, such as birds or anything that could be an obstacle in the landing. Likewise, regarding property or wealth, it will not land on a runway that is disturbed by objects on it.
For example, 1. The habit of complaining or grumbling. 2. Bad comments or gossip. 3. Overthinking.
Jika menurutmu video singkat ini memberi semangat dan bermanfaat, klik like, share dan subscribe.